Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we make your purchasing decisions easier than finding a cat meme on the internet. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with two heavyweights: the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop and the TVD Steam Cleaner. It's a showdown of cleanliness, and let me tell you, it's going to be more thrilling than a soap opera plot twist. Let's get cleaning. First up, let's talk money. The Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is priced at a cool $144, while the TVD Steam Cleaner comes in at $179. Many reviewers appreciate the Bissell as a budget-friendly option that provides great value for its price, especially with its effective cleaning capabilities. However, those who opt for the TVD often mention that the extra investment is justified due to its versatility and performance. So if you're on a budget, Bissell's your guy, but if you've got cash to burn, TVD might be worth it. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty: cleaning power. The Bissell claims it eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria with the natural power of steam. Reviewers have noted its effectiveness in cleaning kitchen linoleum and grout lines, leaving surfaces cleaner and drier than traditional mopping. On the other hand, the TVD boasts high-pressure steam cleaning that tackles tough dirt and grime, with users praising its ability to remove wallpaper and stains effortlessly. Both products are like steam-powered superheroes ready to save the day. Next up, versatility. The Bissell comes with 13 versatile tools, which sounds impressive until you realize the TVD has 28 accessories. Reviewers have remarked on the Bissell's versatility for floor and counter cleaning, but those who chose the TVD appreciate the extensive range of tools that allow for cleaning everything from engines to windows. If you want options, TVD is like a buffet of cleaning goodness. How easy are these bad boys to use? The Bissell is a lift-off steam mop, so you can tackle pet messes both on the floor and above. Reviewers have found it to be user-friendly and effective, although it can be louder in handheld mode. Meanwhile, the TVD is designed for effortless operation, with users praising its quick setup and ease of use. It's so easy. Even your pet rock could operate it, if only it had hands. Now let's talk runtime. Bissell has a 25-foot power cord, which is decent, but the TVD has a whopping 52 ounces tank that allows for 50 minutes of uninterrupted steam. Reviewers love this long runtime, noting it's enough time to clean without having to stop and refill. That's enough time to binge-watch a whole season of your favorite show while cleaning. Overall, the Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop is praised for its affordability and effectiveness, especially for pet owners. Reviewers love its cleaning capabilities and versatility for different surfaces. On the other hand, the TVD Steam Cleaner garners acclaim for its powerful cleaning, extensive accessories, and professional-grade performance. Users appreciate its durability and effectiveness, making it a worthy investment for serious cleaning tasks. So there you have it, folks. The Bissell PowerFresh Lift-Off Pet Steam Mop and the TVD Steam Cleaner are both fantastic options, but they cater to different cleaning styles. Are you looking for something budget-friendly and versatile? Go with Bissell. Need an all-out steam cleaning extravaganza? TVD is your ticket to sparkling surfaces. Remember, whether you're cleaning up after your pets, your kids, or just your own messy self, choose wisely. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a chance to make your buying decisions smarter than a fifth grader. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.